What's up, everybody? It's D Money from IquitMyJob.com, where we talk about making money online and offline so you can make money to get out of your 9 to 5 job, man. So it's online and offline. So today we're going to go over a quick tutorial how I can show you how to use Canva to create different logo designs and start actually getting paid for it, man. Canva is a free tool. You can sign up for free. The free version is good because they have a lot of different designs that you can use. I use the pro version. I say wait till you get familiar with it a little bit, or if you want to jump right in and you have the money for it. It's only like $14 a month. I'll leave a link in the description below. But it's real good. And like I said, you could. This is an easy tool that you can use, and it's the design on it is pretty easy. Um, you can make logos, YouTube thumbnails, and you could go on Fiverr.com, and I'll leave a link to that below, and you can actually start making money from it. So I'll do I'll do two well yeah I'll do a logo, a quick logo, and show you how it's done, and let me show you that you can make some money on Fiverr as well. Let's get to it. Stay tuned for the video. All right, here we go, guys. We on Canva.com. Like I say, I'll leave a link in the description below. So if you want to sign up, uh, you can sign up for the free version, or you can sign up for the pro version. It's on you. You know where you're at in your journey. You're just starting out. Like I said, sign up for the free version. Get it, check it out, and start making some designs today. So we on here, and like I just said, I'll show you some of the stuff that they have presentations, social media, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Instagram story, um, WhatsApp status, Facebook cover. Man, there's so much stuff you can do. Videos, video messages, Facebook messages, mobile video, your video collage, YouTube video ads, um, print products. So if you want to get and do like t-shirts, business cards, and stuff like that, you can order it straight off the app, man. It's pretty cool. And then for your marketing, you create flyers, logos, and stuff like that, um, and different banners and stuff like that, and business cards. So, like I said, today we're gonna do a logo design. So you just come up here and type in logo, and there's different types of designs that they have. They got a badge logo. This would be like a plain logo. It's like something like a badge with the just the name of the company and like a little symbol or something like that. Computer, sports logo, basketball logo, fashion logo. So you kind of get the picture. Um, so what you do is we're just gonna jump straight into it, man. You go in there, hit logo, click on it. It's gonna come up. They have already see this is all on the free version, so you can get into these and put these in. Natural brand, slogan, stuff like that. And you can use all of these and just you could dock them up a little bit and just put your company name in there and go with it from there. So we'll start off on with a create a blank logo. And now this is the difference. It's gonna tell you if it's free or not. This is the pro version for one. Like I said, that's only $14 a month. If you want to sign up, that's good. But they still have a lot of good options for the free version. So, let me see, do I have the filter on? No. Okay. So, so you go in here and you'll want to get your photo that you want to use. And for logo, you want to get something, let's see a background. See a background you can use. Okay, so this is the pro. I'm trying to get a free one for y'all that you can use. Okay, look at this. So this free, right? And you want to expand it. What you want to do is use the whole thing, so expand it to cover up the whole whiteboard because this is going to be your background. And you just simple drag and click, and that's it. Now, what you want to do is go and get the company name in here, and you could use a big heading, subheading, or a smaller heading. Um, and that's just pretty much self-explanatory. So it just depends on how I recommend going with the big one for the first part of the logo, and if you want to have a subhead like your slogan or something like that, you can use like that. So what we'll do is you just click on it, bam, and it goes straight into that. And now you can take this and move it up, sideways, down. So we'll move it up right about here. And let's see, what is this? I'm gonna call this Logo Man. So Logo Man. Just show you, and you can stretch it out here, make it bigger. Stretch out here, make it bigger. Don't go past these lines because then it wouldn't fit right in there. You can make it wide like that. Like I said, stay on fit in here. Bam. All right, click off it. Now what you want to do is, let's see, you could go and get your element to put in there. So let's see something that's uh relevant to logo. Not sure what can I use. Let's see, happy. Uh, success. Let's go with man. I forgot. So if you like logo man, should have a man in there, right? Click on man. And see, this is just something simple. You know, get that. It's your element, something that you can use for the logo. So you just want to click on, that's a pro version. Let's get a free one. All right. Bam, you just drag them in here. Like I said, you can make them a little bigger. Logo man. Then you'll go back into text, grab a subheading, and you want to drag it down. Click on it, drag it down here, and put in whatever your subheading will be. Quality. All the time. And you could check, you could come up here and you could change the color. And also you can see you got yellow in there. So you can have it match that, or you want to put the yellow at the top, maybe. And you can animate. You can have it come bounce in, stuff like that. So, you know, different things right here is the spacing. If you do this is the letter spacing. You can open it up a little bit. Line spacing from the top. So you get the picture, man. So, like I say, it's something, or you could put it on top of them like that. Logo, man. Um, and it's just something you could do. And then what you'll go up here, hit the download button. And after you download it, you will want to come over here, and this is the secret sauce right here. So what you'll do is you take your logo and you want to go to Fiverr. Logo design, Fiverr.com. Right here, go to Fiverr.com. And what you'll do is, like I said, you'll sign up for a business account. Like I said, this is totally free as well. And you can sign up and start selling your designs on here. So, quick. Let me see. Mine should be signed in already. Let me try to find it. Uh, oh, let's see. Which one is it? Okay, it's this one. Uh, let's see. Can't remember my password. Let's see. All right. Oh, so I have to skip this. Hold on. All right. So what you want to do is you're on Fiverr now. Like I said, you come on here and you put in logo design. Bam. Click on that and see you can make all these type of logos, you know, and create some cool logos for business. You know, and anybody can use these, so it's pretty cool. Um, Pretty cool thing to do. You can is like I said, it's free to sign up. Go on and sign up, and you can become a seller and start making some money from logos, man. It's a pretty cool thing to have. Pretty cool thing to do. So, if this provided you any value, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel down below. Like I said, I'm gonna be dropping this content for y'all so y'all can start making y'all some money, man. Get up out of that 9 to 5. Make sure you look in the description. Like I said, it will be in the description with Fiverr and Canva so you can sign up. So this is D Money from I Quit My Job. Have a good one. Peace.